The way the Hoverglide pack floats may look like magic, but it's not. It's physics. Watch this 15-pound weight that's tied to a long elastic cord. When you walk, your hips go up and down about 3 inches with each step, similar to this. Even though we see his hands are moving up and down, the weight barely changes height. This is how we make the pack's load float. Now we know why it looks like magic, but why does it feel like magic? When you aren't moving, the load in a pack pushes down with just its weight. A 50-pound load exerts 50 pounds of force down onto you, but this all changes when you walk or run. When you run, you have to decelerate the load as you hit the ground and stop its movement. Then you have to re-accelerate the load as you take off. Thus, the peak force is very high, as you can see in this force record. When the load is suspended, it stays nearly a constant height above the ground. The load is no longer stopped on the way down and no longer has to come back up. With the load suspended, the forces on your body are reduced 80 to 90%. When you hike downhill or downstairs, you may sometimes find over the next day or two that your knees and ankles hurt and your muscles are sore. Moving downhill puts a lot of force on your joints, for when you are decelerating the load, you have a faster downward velocity, equaling more force. Hoverglide is a game changer because you never have to stop the load. It moves at a constant speed down the hill. It glides. As you can see, even though your feet stop on each step, the pack doesn't. The load is suspended by an elastic cord and you never have high impact forces. So the pack hovers when you're on flat ground and glides going downhill. Introducing the Hoverglide.